Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted grey windows, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and the car has cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 30,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.